In today's local and national news, we look at the private purchase of vaccines by businesses and hospitals, plans for Songkran which include free tolls, jail terms for people involved in soccer match fixing, and an update for investors in properties that have gone bankrupt or are planning to. Thailand yesterday reported 92 new COVID-19 in quarantine on arrival here and the death of one patient, who we're told had long been bedridden and sick prior to the disease. Bangkok City reported 21 cases, Samut Sakhon 40, and the balance in ones and twos around the country. As plans and details of what is and is not allowed during Songkran reach their final stages, and we can expect details of that from the government soon, so the Deputy Prime Minister confirmed that inter-provincial travel should be okay and that provincial governors could choose to have testing for travellers into and through their regions. Good news for drivers though, as the traditional free toll on all motorways is to be applied from April the 9th through to the 16th. Commercial groups of businesses and hospitals are already placing orders for vaccines aside from the national programme that would allow employers or patients to jump the queues. Once available and approved, we'll be able to simply go to private hospitals and pay to get the series of shots. 15 people have been sentenced to jail for soccer match fixing around the nation. The landmark trial saw ex-players, a club manager, a now ex-referee and others found guilty of match fixing back in 2017. Thought to have been paid by those involved in the underground sport betting circles. Each was sentenced to up to 5 years in jail. The Department of Land Transport is launching an online app that would allow motorists to pay their annual vehicle tax via the internet. Applicable only to vehicles that are young enough not to need inspection, the app could save considerable time. And in Chachoengsao, police are housing a pair of fraudsters. It seems they've been on the lam for 14 years, after shooting a co-scammer dead to keep him quiet. Together, back then, they'd skim money from their oil industry employer. Since, they've been keeping a very low profile, until recognised and reported by a member of the public. Meanwhile at home, and in our own province from this or next month, we'll see trials of a new ferry service between our province and the southern region of Songkhla. A 3-floor ship that will accommodate vehicles, including commercial trucks, will start making test runs on what's predicted to be a 20-hour sailing. If successful, the service will eventually make stop-offs in Prachuap too. Food festivals and a unique car show feature in the What's On guide that replaces the news over the weekend as the city prepares for 2 days of fun. Lots to do and see, and only on Fabulous 103 from this afternoon onwards. And for those who've had issues with developers or investment in property companies that have flopped, Tony Justice from Magna Carta, one of the city's top legal companies, this week is the guest on Behind the Mic, our series of interviews on YouTube. Links go up this afternoon on our website, alwayspattia.com, and see him discussing the effects of developer bankruptcy, online legal work, and other legal issues of interest to expats. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters, wash your hands, wear your masks and keep social distancing. And the Met Office promising highs today of 34, dropping down to 28. An overcast day with smog levels in the high figures for our region. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme, like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below.